This is an animatronic talking parrot from Chain Fong Toys. He actually looks more like a cross between a toucan and a parrot with that long beak. He's going up for sale, and this is a quick demonstration to show how he works. He's very similar to the Pete the Repeat parrot from Gemmy Industries, but apparently this was sold in Cracker Barrel stores. Anyway, I'll just give you a few quick examples of him, how he works. What he does is you say very short phrases to him and he repeats them back, like this. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Buy me.
Buy me. Buy me.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
I said goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
This is Pete the Repeat, an animatronic talking parrot from Gemmy Industries. He's going up for sale, and this is just a quick demonstration to show how he works and what he does. Unlike the older versions of him from, say, the 90s, I think this might be late 90s or early this century, this one has a voice-operated recording feature. So you just switch him on and he will repeat back to you short words and phrases that you say to him. Like this. Hello. Hello. Buy me. You want me. And that's it. This is Parrot, a robotic talking parrot from Chain Fong Toys. This is going up for sale, and this is just a quick demonstration video to show how she works. She's got a few little short phrases and some sounds built in.
Okay. I'm sorry. I love you.
Oh, also, when she talks and makes sounds, her tail moves.
Hello?
And also, apparently it tickles when you pull up her wings. And finally, she can also record and repeat back to you short phrases or sounds. Buy me now.
Buy me now. Buy me now.
Ready for this?
Ready for this? Ready for this? Okay.
And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Uh-oh.
Good night.
I love you.
This is a Polly the Techno Parrot robot. He's going up for sale, and this is just a quick little demonstration video to show some of his features and how he works. So first we turn him on. sensor back here, so he'll respond when you pet him. So it has a light sensor. You're welcome. Acting hungry. Let's see if I can get him to act like he's eating. I don't have the cracker that comes with him. But he's got a sensor in his beak if he had the cracker. There we go. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. You can You can also teach him to repeat short words and phrases back. Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Bye me. Well, let's try that again. Buy me now. Okay, well that was a little too long of a phrase. Let's try it one more time. Buy me. You know you want me. And I think that is good enough for now. There's reset buttons here if you want to put them back to factory settings. Goodbye.